Imagine having a powerful tool by your side to help you navigate the wild and unpredictable financial markets. A tool that simplifies complex decisions and gives you an edge in every trade. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to this new and futuristic RSI indicator, one of the most reliable TradingView indicators, a game changer for traders looking to make smarter, more informed decisions. I will recommend you stick around, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how the indicator works and how to use this powerful indicator to level up your trading strategy. So, if that's something you're interested in, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now let's get right into the video. Now to get started with this indicator, you want to go to TradingView and then open any trading security that you like in any time frame. For me, I'm going to be using the 15-minute time frame of the Australian dollar with the US dollar currency pair. Next, you want to click on this Indicators tab and type in the Machine Learning RSI indicator, and you want to select this one by backquant, and then the indicator will be added to the chart. So what the heck is the Machine Learning RSI indicator? You might be asking. So the Machine Learning RSI is a cutting-edge trading indicator that combines the power of relative strength index with machine learning clustering techniques to dynamically determine overbought and oversold thresholds. This advanced indicator adapts to market conditions in real time, offering traders a robust tool for identifying optimal entry and exit points with increased precision. Then again, how does this indicator make use of machine learning? So the machine learning clustering algorithms, such as K-means or hierarchical clustering, are powerful tools for analyzing complex data sets, and they are applied to historical RSI data and price movements to uncover hidden patterns and relationships. These algorithms group similar data points into clusters based on their shared characteristics, enabling the indicator to categorize and interpret market behaviors in a more sophisticated way than traditional methods. For example, the overbought and oversold conditions, the divergences between price and RSI, and finally the consolidation and breakout zones. The RSI is a well-known momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements, oscillating between 0 and 100. Typically, RSI values above 70 are considered overbought, and values below 30 are considered oversold. However, this machine learning clustering uses clustering to calculate dynamic thresholds for overbought and oversold levels. Instead of relying on fixed RSI levels, this indicator clusters historical RSI values into three groups using a percentile-based initialization and iterative optimization, although it places the overbought sometimes at 60 and oversold at 40. Now when you go to the setting of the indicator, here on the input section, you can see that the indicator uses the close of the candles to do the calculations. You can change it by choosing any of these options here. For this RSI length, we are going to change it from 14 to 25, because this represents the number of bars the indicator will use to predict the future trend direction. Then for this smooth RSI moving average type, we are going to change it from EMA to simple moving average. And then you will come down here to change the smoothing period from 4 to 14. The option to smooth the RSI reduces noise and makes the indicator more reliable for detecting trends and reversals. You're going to leave this one since it's for the adaptive linear moving average. For this machine learning threshold settings, they define the range and step size for clustering thresholds, allowing you to fine-tune the clustering process. You're going to leave these three settings here to their default. Then for the machine learning optimization, you can see the amount of data the indicator uses to control the performance memory, maximum clustering steps and maximum data points for ML calculations to ensure optimal performance. We are not going to change anything here. Then when you go to the style section, you can see it only has the checkboxes for the different components of the indicator, and then you are going to click OK. Now let's go ahead and show some trade examples of where the indicator played a significant role in determining the trend direction. But before we do that, let's go over the criteria for entering quality trades using this indicator. So to enter a short trade, you want to wait for this RSI moving average to cross below this red threshold and for it to also become red. And to enter a long trade, you want to wait for the RSI moving average to cross above the green threshold and for it to change to green as well. The gray part of the moving average represents low volume of buyers or sellers in the market, and it is mostly found within the red and green threshold. For example, here on the chart, we are on the price of the gold and on the 15-minute time frame. You can see that this indicator's moving average wanted to cross below the red threshold at this point due to this aggressive price movement here. But there were not enough sellers in the market to push the market immediately, and then price started consolidating around here. You can also see the RSI moving average changing to gray and also staying inside the 2 thresholds. But then when the indicator's moving average crossed back below the red threshold and also changed from gray to red. This is an early sign of a trend change or trend continuation signal, and because of this, you could have placed a short trade like this at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this high and extend your profit target down to this level. As you can see, this is a very simple but a profitable strategy. Here's an example of another trading opportunity. Here you can see that the price has not had much movement around here, and it was reflected here on the indicator. You can see the RSI moving average oscillating between the green and red threshold and not moving out of them, and the color is also gray. But then when the moving average crossed above the green threshold, and it also changed to green as well, this represents a signal that the market is gaining quite a number of buyers into the market. And because of this, you could have placed a long trade like this at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at this low and extend your profit target up to this level, which is a very good risk to reward ratio. One of the indicators you can use together with this machine learning RSI is this tool, known as the multiple EMAs. So to add the indicator to the chart, you just have to go to this Indicators tab and search for the multiple EMA, and you are going to click on this one that was created by this guy Salam Selva, and the indicator will be added to the charts. Here on the chart you can see that the indicator has displayed over 5 exponential moving averages. When you go to the setting of the indicator and on this input section, you can see the different lengths for all the EMAs. And on the style section, you are going to uncheck these 3 EMAs because we are going to be using only this 50 and 20 EMA for this strategy, and then you will click OK. Now here on the chart, you can see that around here there was not much volume of buyers and sellers in the market, and it was reflected in the exponential moving average, as the EMA was seen to be flat during the price movement. Also here on the machine learning RSI, you can see that the signal line was inside the 2 thresholds. Then after this quick spike in price around here, the price later crossed back below the 2 EMAs, and by this time, you will start looking for possible trade entry opportunities. When you check on this machine learning RSI, you will see that the signal line has also crossed below the green threshold. And so you will grab your short position tool and place a trade at the close of this candle and set your stop loss at this high and extend your profit target down to this level, giving you a very good risk to reward ratio. The machine learning RSI is a significant advancement in RSI-based trading indicators, offering dynamic adaptive signals that respond to real-time market conditions. Its robust visualization, customizable settings, and alert capabilities enhance momentum analysis and decision-making. Please, you all should go ahead and join my free Telegram channel because we will be going hard on Forex trading come 2025. And if you want to be part of my community in 2025, just join this Telegram channel. Again, I have created a premium VIP signal channel where I will be sending high-quality trading signals. So if you want to join the VIP channel, just send me a DM on Telegram. By the way, don't forget to click here and create an account with this Forex broker because they are currently one of the best Forex brokers in the Forex and synthetic industry. Now, if you know another trader that might benefit from this video, please share it out with them and let us know in the comment section below the concepts you would like to see covered in the next video. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload a new video.